अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग। चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। आज का हमारा फिज़िक्स का टॉपिक है और हम इसको स्टार्ट करते हैं। इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक इंडक्शन चैप्टर नेम है। इन 1820 Oersted discovered that electric current produced magnetic effect. Soon after his discovery, scientists tried to find its opposite effect. In 1831, Joseph Henry in USA and Michael Faraday in England at the same time observed that when the magnetic field through a coil changes as EMF is produced. EMF, electromagnetic induction. If the magnetic field through a circuit change, an EMF and a current are induced in the circuit, this phenomena is called electromagnetic induction. Definition है ये electromagnetic induction की। इसकी applications आगे कौन कौन सी हैं। This phenomena is used in power generating system. Power generating system में use होती है transformer. Also uses this principle to produce EMF. Transformer में use होती है a credit ATM card. Also use this principle. And appliances, refrigerator, computer, etc. that you plug into a wall socket uses of induced EMF. Induced EMF and induced current. If a conductor moves through a magnetic field, then due to change in magnetic flux, an EMF is produced. जब एक कंडक्टर मूव करता है मैग्नेटिक फील्ड से और वो चेंज हो जाता है मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स में, ईएमएफ इंड्यूस होती है उस वक्त, नोन एज इंड्यूस्ड ईएमएफ. इफ़ द सर्किट इज क्लोज्ड इट विल कॉज एन इलेक्ट्रिक करंट कॉल्ड इंड्यूस्ड करंट. जब सर्किट क्लोज होता है तो ये इलेक्ट्रिक करंट पैदा होता है और क्या नाम लेते हैं, ये इंड्यूस करंट कहलाता है कि इसमें करंट प्रोड्यूस होगा. अभी एक्सपेरिमेंट टू प्रोड्यूस इंड्यूस्ड ईएमएफ एंड करंट. एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 1 है इंडक्शन ड्यू टू मोशन ऑफ लूप. Consider a straight piece of wire of length L placed in magnetic field of permanent magnet. The wire connected with a sensitive galvanometer, so it forms a closed loop without battery. Induced current है when we move the loop from left to right, a current flow in the loop. See this? Okay. The current stop when the loop stop to move. Now, if we move loop in opposite direction, current also reverses its direction. This is indicated by the deflection of galvanometer in opposite direction. Depend of induced EMF, speed of conductor V, number of turns of the coil N, strength of magnetic field B. Induced EMF. If we change the resistance of the loop by inserting different resistor in the loop and move it in uniform magnetic field with same velocity, then the product of induced current I and the resistance R of the loop remains constant. So I multiply R is equals to constant induced EMF है ये. The constant is this constant is called induced EMF, which is independent of the resistance R of the loop. हम इसकी conclusions देख लेते हैं. Relative motion of the loop and the magnetic produces induced EMF in the loop. In fact, the relative motion changes the magnetic flux through the loop, due to which EMF is produced. Greater the rate of change of magnetic flux, larger is the induced EMF. Experiment number 2 start होता है. Induction due to motion of magnet. In this experiment we use a bar magnet and a coil to which sensitive galvanometer is connected as shown in figure. Case 1 है इसका. When there is no relative motion between magnet and the coil and the galvanometer show no current. Case 2 है when the bar magnet is moved toward the coil, the magnetic flux changes and a current is induced in the coil. Case 3 है when the bar magnet is moved away from the coil. coil से दूर ले जाएंगे तो मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स चेंज एंड करंट इज इंड्यूस्ड इन द कॉइल इन ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन. करंट प्रोड्यूस होगा लेकिन ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में प्रोड्यूस होगा. अल्टरनेट मेथड क्या है इसका. दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट कैन आल्सो बी परफॉर्म बाय मूविंग द कॉइल टुवर्ड और अवे फ्रॉम द मैग्नेट. एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 3 है इंडक्शन ड्यू टू चेंजिंग द एरिया ऑफ कॉइल. जब हम लोग एरिया को चेंज कर देंगे कॉइल के तो क्या होगा. In this experiment, we can produce the induced current by changing the area of coil is uniform magnetic field as shown in figure. When the coil is being distorted as to reduce its area, and EMF as hence current appear, the induced current disappear when there will be no change in area. When the distorted coil come to its original circular shape, thereby increasing the area, the induced current is produced but opposite direction. This current leads as long as the area changing. Experiment number 4, induction due to changing the orientation of the coil. In this experiment we can produce the induced current by rotating the coil of constant area in uniform magnetic field. It changes the magnetic flux through the coil. This is the basic principle of electric generator. इलेक्ट्रिक जनरेटर का बहुत मेन प्रिंसिपल है. ठीक है. एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 5. In this experiment, two coils are placed close to each other. The coil P is connected in series with the battery through a switch and rheostat, while coil S is connected only with galvanometer. If the switch of the coil P is closed, a momentary current is induced in the coil S, which suddenly return to zero. When the switch P is opened, a current is produced in the coil S in opposite direction. When we open or close the switch, then there will be a change of current, which causes to change the magnetic flux. The changing magnetic flux produces the induced EMF in it. The current in coil P can vary with the help of rheostat. ओके, अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो ज़रूर लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. खुदा हाफिज़.